Hello everybody, I'm going to make my second part of my couple seal. The first I've made is yang, and today I'm going to make yin. Before you make a seal, you want to have your stone, you want to have a block that holds your stone while carving. You need some sandpaper, which I've already used, your example like I have here, it's yin style, which means I will be cutting out my character. This is the character yin in the seal script style. I've already prepared a mirrored version of it because you want to have it mirrored on your seal in order to make it in the correct version when you stamp your seal. And you'll be also needing some carving tools. These knives you can buy online, or I've bought these in Fuzhou in China, and you can choose whichever you like to use. So how do you start carving your seal? First thing you have to do is prepare your stone. I've already sanded my stone, as you can see, or can't see, okay. And this makes it flat, so you're working on a flat surface. You do this by using the sanding paper and hold it on a flat surface and make circular movements. Dust off the excess dust and you have a ready to go surface. Then you're going to put it in your holder. Most student seal holders are made of wood and not this fancy one, but I was lucky to get it from a friend, so it turns around, but you can just move around your wooden block. The second thing you will want to do is put your example on your seal, and you can do this by using a marker, or you can use a brush and some ink, and you'll be writing down how to or you'll be writing down your seal and the way you want it. And because this is a yin style, so I will be carving out the characters, I won't be needing a square, which mostly is used for a yang style. So we'll just put it on there. You can use a pencil as well. So this is kind of the design we want to have, or I want to have. And then if you're happy with it, you can leave it. If you're not happy, you can just, if it's pencil, you can just remove it with some eraser. And I will be, because it's a rather small stone, it's really small, I mean, it's the size of my fingernail. And then we're going to start to carve. Zoom in a little bit. What you want to do is keep your knife at an angle. I don't know anymore the exact angle, but it's not straight like this, but a little hooked, and then you can because I want the character gone, I'm going to carve into the character. I'm putting quite a force here, and always go back. because this way you're going to have an equal an equal curve in it. So start with the easiest ones, the straight lines. Depending on which stone you have, it's a difference on how much pressure you have to put on the stone. So this is a quite soft stone, so I don't have to put too much force. And unfortunately you cannot really see, at least with this small stone, how good you're doing it, so you can switch knives if you want to. If you're like, this is not working for me, you can definitely switch. Trickiest part is the curve here. But once you have a good curve in there, it's fairly easy. Okay, then we can start on the other part. You always want to carve away from you, so I'm always going that way. because this is a rather small area, I'm checking with this small point knife to see if I get like the right curves I wanted. I'm just tracing it, not pushing anything. You can do whatever you want. If you think it doesn't look good, change it a bit. It's your design, it's your seal. I'm going to trace it again to make sure my grooves or my lines are enough to make a difference when I make a stamp. Okay. And let's see how it looks on paper. When you're satisfied with the result, you can test your seal by making a tryout stamp out of it. As you can see, I'm quite happy with it, how it looks. So, this was my previous character or seal. As you can see, I carved away the stone around the character, if you can see it. So this is the Yang style, and this is Yin style. And Yang is carved in Yang style, Yin is carved in Yin style. This is a cheap stamp, and I think I will use this to test. That looks pretty good to me. You can definitely see my character in there. So let's see. That looks fairly good. My previous one looked a little neater. Okay, this is a better one. I'm quite happy with that. Not much I can change about it. Well, you can change if you want to change something, you can definitely put it back in there and do it again. So yeah, so here you have your seal.